Yo, what's good guys? Today we are back to my channel. Today we are gonna play Pet Simulator 99. Okay, so yeah, okay here. Big games. So yeah. My mom and dad sleeping, that's why I'm talking so low on my voice. So yeah. Here my friend is playing this game too. I wait a minute. He got my I don't know if I even got wait a minute. Almost ready. I go to next area. What is this free diamond? I'm gonna go to the Pet Simulator Act Card. I hate this game. Oh, why did not? Guys, look at the real life. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so man, Lord. Okay, so I have to go to Pet Simulator. Pet Simulator Act, puppy. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, as you can see, I am in the big game now. I love this game. That is the best game at all. I'm in the top of the town. Let's go. Laugh. I'm not laughing. It's right. Okay. So let's go. Oh, how do I get this? Then go to I don't want it. Okay. Okay. I probably gonna get equipped this. We are not in hardcore mode. Hardcore Halloween 2022. I don't know. Wait a minute. Guys, tell me where the hardcore mode is. Okay, golden. Then mythical. I don't know about that too. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Kawaii World. Diamond Mine. I don't have it active right now. Be on the lookout for rare chests. They are and okay. Yes. I forgot about it. Although, guys, I'm playing Pet Simulator. Enroll view. You have no pet enroll in there. Okay. Wait, what the? Enroll. Do it seriously? Wait a minute. Wait. How do I go on my pet here? Look at it. It's just too good. Okay, so I'm gonna go over. What is this? I forgot. Diamond mine. Is this diamond mine? Where is diamond mine? Okay, I am. What is this? Purchase to unlock. 10,000 by area. That would be good. Okay. can be too late. Back that I have unlocked more of them. Yeah. Okay guys, Stephen Tony. Wait a minute, if I go on back. Stephen. Done. Okay. This one Mitchell. Bear. Toby Bear. Oh my goodness, what is it? Union? Tribal cave. What is it? Oh my god, it's locked. Okay guys. My bank. I got like no back. Back to its farm. Okay, so I am here. Traveling. One word, let you. Wait a minute, do I get any? Oh my goodness, no gift. Blow. I'm gonna tell someone something, yeah. So, okay guys, so I turned what happened to my screen? Guys, okay, we're back. Okay, to turn gift. Oh my goodness, select pet time and time. I'm gonna give that him it. Now I'm gonna pet him. Okay guys, why can't I do it? Okay, so Titanic, gotcha. So I definitely don't have anything left. Who have a huge? Can I buy? Tell me if you have. Okay, guys. I am here. It got 1 billion. And I'm gonna open it. Yeah. Let's go to trading for them. Okay, normal. Okay, guys, we are going the well. How did it just fact how people buy some pet and transfer over them hundred of millions? I'm gonna go and I think yeah. DG. Okay. So I'm gonna do a click, guys. And that click is gonna be something that they never imagined. Okay, so yeah. Trading class Aja, I'm here. Wait, what the guys, I'm not floating at anything. It's just the lag. The lag, look. Oh my goodness, the lag. It is, but I don't know. But I don't know why I'm sad. It was free. Okay, let's read it. Hey guys, we are here. What we are? Oh, yeah, the 12 pet I have. Okay. Just have to find it. Hey Jack, give your pet. Digito. I put the name Digito. Okay. Which Digito is it? Digito. Digito. अभी जो एक करावा. Okay. Okay guys, okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and bye bye. Jack.